Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to multiply decimals using algorithms. Lesson 4, multiplying decimals using algorithms. The first example here, Rhea covered the floor of her room with carpet. The room is 4.5 meters long and 32 meters wide. What is the area of the carpet? To find the area of the carpet, look at the picture here. We have the dimensions 4.5 and 3.2, and this rectangular shape, so we will multiply 4.5 multiplied by 32. To multiply 4.5 multiplied by 32, we multiply them without the decimal point, like we multiply 45 by 32. After we finish, we put the decimal point according to the numbers. After how many places? We will see now after how many places. Okay, the places of the decimal point, you can look the place here after one digit and here after one digit. So we add the number of the places of the decimal point. So the decimal point at the end will be after 2 digits. But after we multiply, okay, you know that when you want to multiply 45 multiplied by 32, you need to multiply them vertically, okay, like that. 45 multiplied by 32. Let's multiply them. The first thing, you have to multiply from the right side. We can use regrouping method to multiply by multiplying 2 by 5 equals 10. We put 0 and carry up 1 here. Then 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then we add and another multiplying 3, but 3 here in tens place, so we have to put 0 in the ones place before we multiply 3. We put the 0. Then we multiply 3 by 5 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1 over the 4 again here. Then 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then we add 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 4 and carry up 1. Then 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then we put the 1 at the end, this one. Now it's 1440. We write the same number here. 4.5 multiplied by 3.2 equals 1440. No, we have to put the decimal point according to the decimal places. Okay, how come? According to the decimal places here, we put the decimal point after 2 digits. Why after 2 digits? Let me explain again. Here the decimal point after one place digit, and here one place digit. We add the places. In multiplying, we add the number of the places of the decimal point. So the decimal point after 2 digits. What are the 2 digits? 0 and 4 from this side. We put it here. So the answer is 14.40. 14.40. Okay, right. Let's go for the second example, or the area of the carpet is 14.4. You know that 0.4 is the same to 0.40, so the area of the carpet, it will be 14.4. The next example, we need to multiply 51.8 multiplied by 0.75. How can we multiply these numbers? We multiply them like 518 or 518 multiplied by 75 without the decimal point. We write them without the decimal point. After we finish, we can put the decimal point Okay, we add the places and put the decimal point after we finish. Now we multiply 5 by 8 equals 40. Put 0 and carry up 4. Then 5 by 1 equals 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 25 plus, 25. We write the 25. We have no carried numbers. Okay. Then we add. And we put 0 because of the 7 in the 10th place here. And then 7 multiplied by 8, 56. We put the 6 and carry up 5 here over the 1. Then 7 multiplied by 1 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. We put the 2 and carry up 1. Then 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. 35 plus 1 equals 36. And then we add at the last step. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And then 9 plus 6 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And then 2 plus 6 equals 8. And the last digit is 3. We drop the 3. Now the answer is 38,850. But here we want to multiply the decimals. Look here, we have the decimal place after 1 digit. And here after 2 digits. So we add the number of the places. So we put the decimal point after 3 places or 3 digits. Okay, so we write the same number again. 3, 8, 8, 5, 0. Then we put the decimal point after 3 digits here. This is the answer. Okay. Now we turn it to page 195 and complete solving some exercises on this same lesson. Estimate, then find the product. The first exercise number 1, 4 multiplied by 3.6. As we learned before, we will multiply as 4 multiplied by 36 without the decimal point. But here 4 has no decimal point. There is no problem. Now we will multiply 4 by 6 equals, we don't need to write it vertically, so we can multiply it horizontal like that. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. We put the 4 and carry up 2 here. Then 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So we have 144. But now we need to put the decimal point. I think we learned it before from multiplying all numbers by decimals. We put the decimal point according to the decimal numbers. Here the decimal number has only the decimal point after 1 digit. So the answer after 1 digit also here. Okay, because no decimals here, no decimal place. So there is only 1 place. Okay, so we put the decimal point after 1 digit here. What about example number 2, sorry. We will multiply 4.35 multiplied by 0.4. The same to the last one, we multiply 435 multiplied by 4. We don't care about the decimal point till we finished. When we finish, we can put the decimal point after the place according to the numbers. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. We put 0 and carry up 2. Then 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. We put 12 plus 2 equals 14. We put 4 and carry up 1. Then 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So the answer is 1740. But when you multiply 435 multiplied by 4, now we multiply 4.35 multiplied by 0.4. So the decimal point here after 2 places, and the decimal point here after 1 place, 1 digit. So we add the places of the decimal point, the number of the places of the decimal point. We have 3 digits. So the decimal point should be here. The answer should be 1.740, like that. Example number 3. 0.7 multiplied by 0.2. It's like multiplied 7 by 2. It's very easy. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. So we write 14. Okay, sorry. Then we have the decimal point after 1 place here, and here after 1 place also. So we need to put the decimal point after 1 digit. Sorry, 2 digits. We add the places. The decimal point should be after 2 digits, after 4 and 1. So it's out of the number from the left side. So the answer is 0.14, like that. Number 4 is left here. Number 4 is 7.2 multiplied by 3.5. We will multiply 72 multiplied by 35. Then we put the decimal point after we finished multiplying. Okay, let's start multiplying 72 by 35. From the beginning, 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. Then 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 35 plus 1 equals 36. Then we put plus sign here. Then we multiply the 3, but 3 in the 10th place, so we put 0 before multiplying 3. And then we multiply 3 by 2 equals 6. And 3 by 7 equals 21. We put the 21 because we haven't any numbers left. Multiply again. Now we add the end. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then we drop the 2. The answer is 2520. 2520. We put it here. Okay. Then we put the decimal point after how many digits? After 2 digits. Okay, we put the decimal point after 2 digits. Why? Because here it's 1 digit after 1 digit, and here after 1 digit. So we add the places. So the decimal point should be after 2 digits. 1 plus 1 equals 2, you know. So we put the decimal point here. So when you multiply 7.2 multiplied by 3.5 equals 25.2. 25.2 or 25.20, the same. Now we turn it to page 196 and complete solving exercises on lesson multiplying decimal numbers. The first question, complete to find each product. Here, the first, number one, we need to solve 7.24 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 4 at first, it's 32. So, it's put 2 here and carry up 3 here, this place. Then 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. 16 plus 3 equals 19. Put 9 and carry up 1. Then 8 multiplied by 7 equals 56. 56 plus 1, 57. So the answer is 5792. But here we need to put the decimal point after how many places? After 2 places, after 2 digits here in this place. That's about number 1 here. You can solve the rest of number A. It's very easy for you to solve it as a homework. Okay, let's do this one, number 6 for you. Okay, and then also the rest of the page is homework, number B. And you can upload it on Classera and send me the homework on Classera. Okay, number 6, 5.3 multiplied by 4.2. Directly we write it as 53 multiplied by 42 without the decimal point. Okay, we learned it. Okay, to multiply decimal numbers, we can write the numbers without the decimal point. This is exercise number 6 only. Let's multiply 2 from the beginning, from the right side. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Then 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. We put the 10. Then we write the plus sign here. Then we put a 0 in the ones place because of the 4 in the tens place. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. We put 2 and carry up 1. Then 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. Then we add 6 plus 0 equals 6. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then we drop the 2 at the last digit. The answer is 2226. Sorry. So we can write the same number down here. Then we put the decimal point after how many digits? Yes, here is 1 place and here is 1 place. So we add the decimal places. We put it 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we put the decimal point after 2 places here in this place. So the answer is 22.26. And the rest for you. It's very easy for you to solve them homework. Okay, goodbye.